Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the ringtone on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, let's head over to the settings. And let me quickly go back to the main page. We need to go over to the Sounds and Haptics. So let's scroll a bit down and let's click on the Sounds and Haptics right here. It's close to the notifications and focus and screen time. It has its own special category, as you guys can see here. So let's click here, and now let's go over and go to the ringtone. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys will hear this, but this is the default one. And if you want to change your ringtone, you just select any other option. Or maybe the classic. So this is how you guys can change it. You guys can also go over to the tone store, and right here you won't get the ringtones for free, and you will have to pay a small price for them. They are going for like 60 to 75 cents. Some are even cheaper, like 40 or 50. So you do not have to worry about the price being too high. Let me quickly see if I'm connected to the network. And now let me quickly connect to the network, and I'll show you guys how much are they going for. So now let me go back to the Sounds and Haptics, ringtone, and the tone store. So here we have the tones, as you guys can see. For example, for PLN, which is the Polish zloty, it goes for 4 of them, so it's like $1. So free is 75 cents. You guys can also find the ringtones for less than 2 PLN, which is not even 50 cents. And here you guys can basically see it. So you guys can either go for featured, you guys can go for charts, and here you guys will have the price of the ringtones. You guys can buy them and then go over to the ringtone and click on download all purchased tones. So as you guys can see here, I do not have any ringtones that I bought, but here we can easily buy them. So this is how you guys can easily change your ringtone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.